Isoko wadosa, Isoko mena greetings to you everybody. I waka one waka today. Isoko person sing one song say Merana nerwa Siginu zame Merana nerwa Renaro mete Merana nerwa Siginu zamyo. So I can't go make her see with my eyes whether not true. I can't go. I can't really see her. My people, not true too. The matter not truth, not be lie. Say wetin. Say Uzere don't get gas turbine. I mean say Uzere don't get steady lights. I hear the thing be like, as in, is it real? I see some for you, I say, sure. Now first shot, hey Arube don't sing and come out. He don't talk and come out. Hello, I'm not saying Arube do amo. Because most of them sabi read meaning to person words. I beg. But you and I know how Arube talk rich. If na arrest, say they arrest her many times. If na harass, they don't harass her several times. Mileage, they don't keep my mileage. Nothing when they never do Arube because of this Uzere matter. This lights matter. Hello. And some other traditional rulers that stand for good. Comrade Ambassador Morrison Igelige, I see you. Mary Wessa. Okay, nega lowo. Ibawo Uzere Isuze Isoko Bobby no idikiye. Ini Uzere rewoma. Uzere wipe. Isokore wipe. Isokore woma. Mo flefle mero wayo mano waiki dododo. Ogene ogalo wayo ko wa pari gberuo. Oje netane nitiki e ko rahavo diki e ko bribe na rere. Diki e ko raha. Ako wa po igbe no wa were Isoko. Warere no. Ware ne ku Isoko vi church warere Bible vo ivine bobio. Ogen oro wa nwa. The two white dog again no. So Messi say so I can see and say the people not be say they not be happy. They never happy well. Now what I mean, they never happy well because the thing never but that they happy small. So that they wait. Make the light shine where, make they see and where, make it clear. Even when they dream self, they can see and say yes, oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes, oh. Like they will say now, yes, oh, yes, oh. When they sleep, wake up like this, they go see light. They close eyes, even when they sleep, even when they close eyes, they sleep, they see the light. Because see, what you don't they expect for how many years? I'll tell you something. According to them, they say it don't pass 6 years. Uzere never carry eyes see lights. And now Uzere, now that the grill lawyer come from. Uzere don't supposed be city, supposed to be it's city, No, it's not supposed to be. I don't know which word I won't use. You know, I'm not to go school, so I don't know which English I won't put for that place. Isoko don't suppose they like as in why you doing like that now? Oh, I thank God. Small we'll get there soon. But we have a lot to do. I have a lot of battle to face. So according to them, some of them they are happy. In fact, they are happy. Not that they are not happy. They are happy. It's just that the light never shine well. But they get the belief say light go shine because they bring light that day, the light shine some days ago, yesterday, then today again, this night, last night, light still come, and today they say they will still bring light. So most of the confirmer say true. And when I go so I see some of the people that they work on the light, some area, say like last night, they the time before, some wires, some things, they don't dey one kind. So they try, they arrange the thing, they position the things in order. Kira when no ibe refer one. Kira when they na bobi. You know when the light no come, they not go say, oh, hey, that place, oh, that's why it's spark. Neither wire can't spark. That place can't catch fire. Oh, this street, or that place can't catch fire. No, they don't want that kind of thing. So that they take their time. They work on the things. They work on everywhere. Make sure say everywhere they tidy up. So look at say every compound, every street, every quarter, every area gets lights. You understand? But they don't test them. They don't use their 2 eyes see light after so many years in darkness. I hear them all, and I see how they put them for online. But me of left I go, I see them, and I confirm from the community people say yes, the light shine. They see them. They bring light, and the people are working on it. So any moment from now, maybe few days from now, Uzere now 24-hour on light. So Uzere people even if na one room self, or even if na passage, anyone na fine for me. I come the day because I did no light so for how many years. So I come waka today. Now make I let you know. So congratulations to Uzere people. A big kudos to good Isoko leaders. Good Uzere leaders. Kudos to you people. I greet you now. I loyal. I respect you now. More grace, more wisdom. So Uzere leaders, Uzere kingdom. I'm so happy for you people. I'm so happy. Congratulations. Isoko to the world. I remain of Lefe Romata, one of Isoko Nation. God bless you.